Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Professor of Physics Sajjad Ahmad here from the platform of Garrison Group of Colleges. I want to say Garrison is one of the best educational institute. Join Garrison for your merit, for your best future. Now start chapter number 2, FSC first year class, pre-first year class, chapter number 2. Consists two parts. First half is vector, second half is equilibrium. Now we define what is vector. Vector is a physical quantity. What is physical quantity? A quantity which is measurable, which can be measured with any device, with any technique, with any instrument, is called physical. For example, length. We can measure the length of this object with the help of meter rod. Means length is a measurable quantity. We can measure time with stopwatch. Means time is also a measurable quantity. We can measure all physical quantities with any device. Vector is also a physical quantity that have both magnitude and direction for their complete explanation. A physical quantity having both magnitude means numerical values and direction means directional properties for their complete description is called a vector. For example, displacement, velocity, acceleration, force, torque, so on are called vector quantities. Dear students, a vector is represented by any character. A vector is represented by any letter with arrowhead above or below the letter. For example, vector A, in this case, A is magnitude and arrowhead is its direction. A vector is also represented by boldface character such as A. In this case, A is complete vector, vector A, vector B. If we refer only the magnitude of this vector A, light face letter A is used for the magnitude of this vector A. Light face letter B will represent the magnitude of vector B. Graphically, a vector is represented by a directed line segment with arrowhead, such as vector, suppose vector A. In this case, length of this line means from O to P is its magnitude, and this arrowhead directed our rightward is its direction. The length of the line segment which represent the magnitude, we find this from suitable scale. For the length of this line segment means magnitude of this vector is found from suitable scale, and direction of the vector we will find in graphical form from direction indicator. Means we need a direction indicator and suitable scale for the graphical representation of this vector. Inshallah, we will discuss next article. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum. 1 minute.